Hello and happy Advent. We're back here doing some Bevlin's cocktails for your Christmas season and for your Christmas parties. And for some reason I've had the Goslings Dark and Stormy on my mind. And so I was trying to think what would be a winter version of that drink. And so I decided to cream it, make it a little creamy root beer. So we're going to start, and we're actually going to use rum and we're going to use Amoretti syrups. We're going to start with our Amrut Two Indies Rum. This is a mix of two, one pot stilled and one column stilled rums from the Caribbean, even though this is actually, I think, finally blended in India. So we're going to start with 2 ounces. Then, instead of using a type of heavy cream, which you can, we're going to use the Amoretti ice cream and just put a tiny, maybe 1/4 of an ounce, just to get the look of the creaminess. Then we're gonna, obviously, we have our root beer, and so we have so I'm gonna put a little bit more, just so that we can make sure we get our root beer, with the ginger beer aspect of the Dark and Stormy. And obviously we need to get some ginger in here. So this is the oh, I'm sorry, this is that's not gonna work. There we go. This is the almond. Here we go. I found the apple ginger. The ginger definitely is more forward than the apple, so I think this will give us what we need for the equivalent of the ginger. So basically I just poured everything into a rocks glass and give it a nice stir. And you could probably add more of the ice cream, depending on how light you want to make it. As you can see here, I put a little more root beer heavy, so it's a little bit darker, sort of like a Dark and Stormy. So cheers, Merry Christmas, and come back later for more recipes. Oh, actually, I think I nailed the combination. This is actually really nice. I'm going to savor this for a while. Cheers.